You might be wondering how to exactly turn on your notifications or your push notifications here for Uber driver. Well, this one is pretty easy. So first thing that you want to do is you want to open up your settings. Now under settings, what we need to do is you want to scroll down a bit here and you want to look for notifications and status bar. Now in here, what we need to do is you want to go ahead and just basically access the option here that says app notifications. Go ahead and click on it. And from here, it should give you all the list of the apps that you currently have right now on your device. But in this case, you just need to click on search for apps and just type in Uber. And you want to open up your Uber driver app here if you do see it. And you just need to make sure that the show notification section at the very top is actually turned on. Okay, so if you have this turned off, as you can see right now, just turn it on so that you could get or receive notifications. And also there are some customization here that you could do. For example, you have notification spotlight here. If you want to enable that, also floating notifications and sound vibration on it, and permanent notifications if you want to allow those as well. So yeah, you can go and just basically turn all the necessary notifications here that you want to include into your Uber driver app. But once you've done that, you can just exit it here and just open up the Uber driver app and start using it. And that's it for this video. I'll see you on the next one.